In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Photos app not working on Windows 11. So if you're trying to open a photo and the Photos app isn't working properly, this guide will help you fix it. First, open the Start menu on your computer and click on Settings. From the left side, select Apps. Now click on Installed Apps. Use the search bar to search for Photos. Once you find Microsoft Photos, click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see the Reset section. First, click Repair and wait a few seconds while Windows repairs the app. Once the repair is complete, click Reset, then confirm by pressing Reset again. Now try opening a photo on your computer. You can right-click any image, select Open With, and choose Photos. Check if the issue has been fixed. If the Photos app is still not working, go back to the same settings page. This time, click Uninstall and confirm the uninstall. Once the app has been removed, open the Start menu again and search for the Microsoft Store. Open it and use the search bar to search for Microsoft Photos. Select the app from the results and click the Install button. Wait for the installation to finish, then click Open. Now try opening your photos again. And that should fix the problem. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if this tutorial helped you.